Hey and welcome to Pica. In this video, we're going to dive into Anthropic's latest release, Agent Skills. Skills are essentially powerful, reusable models that teach Claude how to execute specific tasks. When you power this with Pica's MCP server, you can now create complex workflows that execute tasks across various integrations. In this tutorial, we're going to create a daily pulse skill. This daily pulse is going to read our events from Google Calendar and our unread emails from Gmail and give us a summary about the day ahead of us. Let's dive into it. The first thing we're going to want to do is set up a project folder. Here I've got one called Daily Pulse. In Daily Pulse, we're going to create a file called skill.md. This markdown file is going to have all the comprehensive and clear information that's going to outline this pulse task. We've created a project in the awesome Pica repo that has just this. If you head in there and go into the Daily Pulse folder, you can go into the skill markdown file, and let's go ahead and copy this. For this tutorial, I'm also going to add the license file. This will be a standard MIT license. If we dive into the skill here, we can see information about what exactly this is going to do. Essentially, we're telling Claude that we want our pulse to be a personalized morning briefing that synthesizes our calendar and email. And we can see here that it outlines how exactly the skill gets triggered and what exactly it's doing. So we're leveraging Pica's MCP server to grab information about our calendar events and our email summary. We also give it information about how we want our output to look in terms of what are high impact events, what are urgent, what are more important, what are areas to focus for our time, and what are quick action points. It also gives us best practices and the ways we can handle errors. Now the next step is going to be to take this skill and add it to Claude Desktop. So let's go ahead and open Claude. You'll also need to make sure that you already have the Pica MCP server installed. To do so, you can look at our documentation. It should take under 2 minutes to do that. From here, you can head into Claude and go into the settings. You can click on capabilities and ensure that skills are toggled on. In order to upload a skill, you'll need to compress the folder we made and drag and drop it in here. So let's go ahead and do that. It looks like our skill uploaded successfully, and here we can see that it's toggled on. So let's go ahead and give this a try. Let's ask Claude for our daily pulse. Very cool. Let's take a look at what it told us. Here I can see based on my calendar events, here are the high impact events for the day. It gave me the areas where I need to focus between my events. Based on my unread emails, it also told me what's urgent, important, and perhaps quick wins as well. It told me about time optimizations in my day and quick action points as well. So this is a pulse I can use every morning now to know how my day is going to look. So as you can see there, Claude Skills become super powerful when you can pair it with Pica's MCP server. You're only bound by your creative imagination and all the integrations available in Pica. We'll add links in the description below for useful resources along with the pulse skill we just created. Let us know what skills you're building with Pica and what new integrations you'd like to see. Happy building!